So this is a video that how we are taking precautions in this COVID era. As the patient comes, first a thermal screening is done at the entry door. The patient is given antiseptic solution to clean his hands. And a self-declaration form. A self-declaration form which has questions about any fever, upper respiratory symptoms, any travel or any redness of the eye or any contact of patients which are confirmed COVID positive is filled. The routine registration form is filled, but the form is placed inside a tray so that this form can be transferred from the staff to the doctor to the optometrist at all levels within the tray itself. The consultation fees is deposited in this way so that the handling of the currency is avoided. The patient is urged to use his own pen in using all the things. Every patient is asked to download the Arogya Setu app, and it is checked in his mobile what is the status. The Arogya Setu app is promoted with the help of banners and posters inside the hospital. The distancing from the reception table is maintained by putting some chairs so that the space is blocked. The routine seating position is also altered by making a cross with some adhesive tape so that social distancing is maintained. At the pharmacy counter also there is a bench placed with a cross on it so that a distance is maintained while communicating with the pharmacist. The reception staff is provided with mask and a face shield and a cover for hair, and only one receptionist takes care of the area in spite of the place for two receptionists. The file is shifted inside the tray, and the patient is also taken for the optometrist workup. So the optometrist workup is done, and the visual acuity and the best corrected visual acuity is checked with a pinhole itself, and auto ref is avoided. Torchlight examination and a retinoscopy is done by the optometrist, and the auto ref and slit lamp examination is avoided at the optometrist level unless it is extremely necessary. The patient and the file is again shifted to the doctor's cabin. The slit lamp is equipped with a shield, and the chin rest and the forehead bar is already cleaned with an alcohol swab. The slit lamp examination is done, although it's a little difficult with a face shield, but many times an attached screen helps us to examine the details inside the eye. Difficult to use indirect over the face shield. It is possible with a little practice, and then you can comfortably do indirect ophthalmoscopy is safe when the patient is also wearing a mask. The use of air conditioning is avoided and the windows are completely open for a good ventilation. Mopping is done twice a day with sodium hypochlorite solution. The handles of the doors and all the surfaces which are repeatedly touched by the hands are cleaned with alcohol. The receiver of the telephone is also cleaned repeatedly during the dilating drops are explained to the patient so that when they come for the next appointment they can put their drops according to the instructions and they can directly meet the doctor, and thus we can reduce the waiting time in the hospital.